We must now look inside Rudolph's play pouch. Oh, we must look even deeper. Uh-oh, something doesn't feel right, Rudolph. Oh, that is not a good sign. Case 12.24.18, Dr. Bernard Biddleton observing. There's something wrong with Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Rudolph has lost his Christmas magic, and some say his nose no longer glows. If we don't find out why soon, Rudolph will not be able to lead the team of reindeer, and Santa will not be able to get all the Christmas presents delivered by Christmas morning. Santa is going to find out what is wrong with Rudolph's nose. Count down from 10, Rudolph. This will help you sleep, and Santa can begin his operation, and Rudolph will not feel a thing. First, we need to prep Rudolph for the surgery. We must keep things clean and sterile. Santa will now begin the process of fixing Rudolph's nose with his medical instruments. Look, there is Rudolph's cinnamon layer. Healthy cinnamon helps him fly. This cinnamon does not look healthy, Rudolph. This looks very unhealthy. Santa will now remove all of the bad cinnamon and replace it with bright, healthy cinnamon candies. Much better. These bright candies should brighten Rudolph's spirit. We must make sure they are deep inside Rudolph. Next, we need to show Rudolph some more love. How about some more kisses? Everyone loves a kiss. More Hershey kisses, please. Now Rudolph can join in the reindeer games again. We must now look inside Rudolph's play pouch. Oh, we must look even deeper. Uh-oh, something doesn't feel right, Rudolph. Oh, that is not a good sign. Rudolph's Christmas magic is dead. That means his imagination is also unhealthy. Don't worry, Rudolph. We will get you fixed up soon. We have something special for you. Brand new Christmas magic. Time to put Rudolph's Christmas magic back safe and sound. We put it back very carefully to ensure the magic is still working. But look, I see sour gummy worms. You should never eat anything sour. This might be why Rudolph's nose no longer glows. Rudolph, let's clean out this mess. We don't want anything sour inside. Now Santa must explore Rudolph's heart. Look how big it is! Look how much love Rudolph has! Rudolph has a strong, healthy heart. What a strong heartbeat, Rudolph! We will put your heart back where it belongs now. I think we have done it. It's time to seal Rudolph back up again. Look at Santa putting Rudolph back together. We must be very careful that we protect his wounds. These bandages will help. Almost done, Rudolph. I believe the operation was a success. Nice work, Santa. Now let's finish with a final evaluation. Oof! There we go! Rudolph's nose is flashing again. His nose will grow brighter than ever before, and he will be able to lead Santa's reindeer team and help Santa get all of the presents delivered on time. Time for Rudolph to rest now. Sleep well, Rudolph.